Hello and welcome back to another video. In this challenge I am going to be programming, but with a little twist. Every time I make a mistake, I have to start over. So let's go over the rules. Each attempt is like a normal programming session. However, whenever I try to compile my code, I have to test it. If I get a compilation error, I lose the attempt. Warnings are fine. If I lose the attempt, I then have to delete my code and start over. Let's start the challenge, shall we? Essentially, here I am explaining the rules of a problem. There is someone and he is swapping cups, and we have to figure out in which cup the ball ends up. It starts in the leftmost cup, and there are three possible ways for the cups to change positions. The first two with A, the second two with B, and the first and the last with C. That is the problem wrapped
You have to find where the ball is at the end.
Here is a time lapse of the programming session. I'm not gonna GCC that thing, because the moment I GCC, I might have to make my things. So it's gonna. Let's first see everything. Okay. Cut that. I'm gonna pass it to a grep function. Grep v. Everything without commas. Everything without commas. That looks right. And the second expressive. Then expressive. Okay. See the closing brackets. Okay, those brackets. And those both. If this has compilation or how to create. I want to see this again. What was when we cats it? How can we cats it? Everything with ball. Ball. Maybe. The code only had a warning, so it was fine to submit. Then I went ahead to submit the code, and guess what happened? On the second attempt, I was still careful, although I was rushing a bit. I did not check the code thoroughly using terminal commands before submitting it, which then led to. Let's just do the GCC now. You know what? I deserve this. I deserve this. 100%. Okay. But gotta start over. You know what? I deserve this. I really do deserve this. You know? Deserved. 100% deserved. Okay. I guess gonna do him again. Let's do it again. This time I'm not gonna talk. You can tell I was not very happy with this. On the third attempt, I rushed a bit, although I made sure to check the code thoroughly afterwards. After that, I compiled it. One mistake and this entire thing would be over. Luckily, the code was perfectly fine as it didn't even have a warning. I submitted it, but it gave some wrong answers. I quickly went ahead and changed my mistakes and then submitted the code to end this challenge. I'm going to submit and yes, sir. Yes. Finally. Third attempt. Okay. Yeah, third attempt. Finally put this to rest. You know, I can download. Finally. So I'm gonna in my tab. Oh, I have to do this. Let's paste it. Okay. Submit. And we are done. Finally. Fun challenge. In the end, this challenge was a very good way to improve my programming skills. I highly recommend doing it yourself.